Want to file your FinCEN BOI reports in just 5 minutes? Before that, here's a list of what you'll need to file your BOI report. Take a screenshot so you don't miss out on any of them while filing. Here is a step-by-step guide to file your BOI reporting. Sign up or log into Tax1099 and choose FinCEN BOI Reporting, and then file BOI. Click on Add a Reporting Company. In the Reporting Company section, fill in the required information required. Fill in your reporting company details in these columns. Legal name, business address like territory, state, and zip code. Now click Next and you'll be directed to Filing Information page. Choose the initial report if you are filing for the first time. In that case, you can ignore the below column that's asking you to enter your previous reporting details. Click Next. If your company was created or registered before January 1st, 2024, and has already been reported, you do not need to check the box. Provide the name, date of birth, address, and form of identification. Click Next. Click on Add BOI and add the beneficial owner information, name, address, and form of identification. Once the information is added, review the details entered and click Next. Agree you are authorized to file the BOI report and make the payment. That's it. Now you've successfully filed your BOI report. Make your BOI reporting hassle-free with Tax1099.